This video shows how to set up a Wi-Fi adapter, enable monitor mode, and scan Wi-Fi networks in Kali Linux. The next video shows why weak passwords are dangerous and easy to crack. Do not attempt this on networks you do not own or have permission to test, as it may be illegal in your country. First of all, you need to have Kali Linux installed on VirtualBox. If you don't know how to set this up, check out my previous video. Now, open VirtualBox and click on the extension icon to check whether the VirtualBox extension pack is installed. If it's not installed, install it as shown. To download it, check out my previous video. It's super important because without it, your USB Wi-Fi adapter won't be detected properly in Kali Linux. Once the installation is complete, start your Kali Linux virtual machine. Now, enter your Kali Linux username and password. Next, open the terminal. Normally, you'd have to use sudo for every command, but to make things easier, I'll be using the root terminal. Now, go ahead and enter your Kali Linux password to continue. Now, the first command you need to type is i.wconfig. This command will show all the available network interfaces on your system. If you see this message, it means your wireless adapter is not connected or not detected by Kali Linux. First, plug in your Wi-Fi adapter, then go to VirtualBox, open Settings, navigate to USB, and select your Wi-Fi adapter from the list. Wait for about 15 to 30 seconds for it to be detected. Type the same command again. Now you can see a new adapter listed as WLAN 0. Now, you need to type the following command, airmon-ng check kill. This command stops interfering network processes, so your Wi-Fi adapter can switch to monitor mode without any issues. Next, we need to enable monitor mode. This is important because it allows your Wi-Fi adapter to listen to all nearby wireless traffic, not just the network you're connected to. Next, type airmon-ng start WLAN 0 to enable monitor mode. WLAN 0 is your Wi-Fi adapter name. After running this, your adapter will switch to monitor mode and start listening to all nearby networks. You might also notice a new interface like WLAN 0 mon, which confirms it's working. This command listens to all Wi-Fi signals are on and shows detailed info about nearby networks and users. In the next video, you'll see how to capture the Wi-Fi handshake of my own network and crack it using the Kali Linux aircrack-ng tool. Please subscribe and stay tuned. The next video will be uploaded this coming Sunday night.